Import data from e-return files. If you have the e-return files already generated through Winman CA ERP or any other software, you can import the same to Winman CA ERP and create tax files. Through this feature, you can also import data from already uploaded e-return files by downloading the JSON or XML file from the IT website. This feature will be of great help if you have lost Winman tax files or in case of shifting from other software to Winman. Come on, let's take a look at how it works. Go to Tools menu. Select Import from ITR JSON or XML. To download and import JSON or XML files of the assessee, whose file is kept open in software, click on Current Assessee. To download and import JSON or XML files of another assessee, click on Different Assessee. To download and import JSON or XML files of more than one assessees, click on Multiple Assessees. Let's see the feature of Multiple Assessees Import. You can download and import data from many e-return files at once. The XML file of each assessee will be downloaded and imported into a separate CA ERP file and will be stored in the data path of the software. Click on Export Format. Save the Excel file in the desired path. Enter login details of the assessees. Open the file from the saved path. Click on Open. Select the assessment year of XML file to be downloaded. Select the assessment year to import XML. Data can be imported only if the XML or JSON file is available in the portal. If the data is not available or e-return is not filed for the set period, then pre-filled JSON file will be downloaded and data will be imported. Click on Download and Import. Click on Yes. This sheet contains XML or JSON which are imported successfully. This sheet contains XML or JSON which are not imported. The details in the XML or JSON which are not imported and the reasons for such are mentioned in this sheet. Click on OK. If you have already downloaded IT JSON or XML files from IT e-filing website, go to Tools menu. Select Import from ITR JSON or XML menu item. Select Import only. For instant help, click on given FAQ link. Click on the relevant folder containing XML or JSON files. Click on OK. Select the relevant assessment year. Thank you.